back. It's Angela as always, and it's a lovely Sunday, a bit crisp with the weather, but really a lovely day and a perfect day for me to share with you my latest kit. So we have got the sights of autumn on my table here, and I've just gathered these leaves while I was walking Abby before I sat down. So I thought, oh gosh, just let me bring some of those colors in just to see the beautiful inspiration that this kit has brought to me. So the kit is called Autumn Whispers, and it's a lovely big kit as I like to make it. It's a big journal kit, and we hope to make a little project with this. So yeah, very excited. Beautiful colors, and let's get to it. Right, so I'm going to move those out the way. Lovely leaves, and just put those at the top there, and this is the kit inside here. So we have really got gorgeous colors in here and some possibly strange combinations, as you know I like to do. Right, so we've got a journal page kit available in a digital format and in a printed full kit, and I'll go through the full kit, the printed kit at the end. But the journal pages itself, there are 23 pages all in all. So you've got, first of all, I think there are 9 journal pages like this. So we've got beautiful pages, and we've got these lovely deep burgundy colors. You've got peach colors, you've got some oranges, you've got creams, natural shades, and you know, even those wine lovely colors as well. So I have put it all together with some greens, of course. So we've got, that's one of our pages, some lovely pomegranates here. It's all about the colors and the sort of smells of autumn, which we were talking about before. So that's the very first page. Then I've brought in more of the orange shades here. So we've got all sorts of pumpkins, all sorts of lovely bits and colours, and beautiful roses and things with just touches of little burgundy shades here and there. So that's another one. Had to do one like this. So we've even got some sketches behind here, and really love this page and the colours and how they blend like almost like a sunset. So that's another one. I had to bring in the mushrooms. I almost picked up a whole little collection of mushrooms. I thought, no, don't disturb them. I don't want to ruin them, but a whole collection of toadstools and mushrooms on my walk today, which I saw. So yeah, we've got to bring in some of those as well. Here's another little one with some stacks of pumpkins and a little stand with goodies on, and brought in some doilies, touches of the lovely greens as well. And then we've got all sorts of other bits as well here. I love the leaves and the sort of borders and things. Lots of gorgeous leaf colours in here. Little fence collection of leaves, butterflies. I had to bring in the bicycle again with some toadstools and things. Just lovely. Yeah, so these are the 8 pages, and really excited. Touch of sunflowers here as well, here and there. Pomegranates, oranges, pumpkins, just all those beautiful colors and smells, and you know, food has to come into it if I'm involved. So there we go. I love that. So I hope that you're going to love it too. Then I've got some other design pages and background pages, and I love this one. This one I'm going to use for fabric. So this one I will be sharing with you in a little while, the fabric, because this will go on the front of my journal with all the leaf colors. So that's that one there. Then we've got this one with a combination of the peaches, the creams, and all the colors together. And then we got to have a leaf page. This is really meant to be this way because I love fussy cutting these out, and I love this as a background in an autumn journal. So all the shades as I have them here are really on this page, just like that. Then I've got 3 other pages that are full of leaves. So you've got these oranges, the browns, the creams. We've got the greens, because there's always still a bit of green everywhere. And then sort of more of a burgundy color there. So The leaves all have different shapes, and that's also beautiful. And I was looking at that today. So many different shapes. Right, I've got three, I'm a big fan of gingham. I have put these 3 pages in because they're not part of the gingham set that I did put out. These are much bolder and match with this kit. So you've got the green shade, you've got the lovely burgundy shade, and you've got the burnt orange shade. So those 3 match with the kit there as well. All right, so there you go. Then the mini pages as always. So I've got 5 of those. I added on the leaf page because the number was 9 and I needed another one. So I just made a smaller version of that. Might come in handy when we are crafting. So 5 of those. These are the same as the larger pages, but often when you're making cards or you're making something and you want a smaller version, not everybody has the capability to reduce the size of those pages. So using them is definitely on the cards when I craft, as you know. All right, so those are the 5 mini pages, and that makes up our full journal page kit. All right, so digital 23 pages, printed, you would have this as a complete set. This is just one of the elements in the printed kit. All right, I have the add-on kit, and that comprises 10 sheets of paper, and like always I have 2 sheets of large tags. So here's the first one, and then here's the other one. Okay, beautiful colors. Then I do a sheet of the smaller tags. Love using those as well. So you've got lots of pieces to match your pages. You've got a sheet of postcards or journal cards, however you like to use them. Then we have our mini envelopes, 2 of those. And then we have 2 of the larger envelopes. So you've got this one and you've got that one. All right, and then the pockets with a lot of the circles. Like to use those either on here or other parts of the journal. So we've got 4 little circles with elements and 4 pockets. Those are the rectangular pockets. And then I've got the pockets here with a little scalloped bit cut out, and then I've got the triangular pockets as well. So we've got lots of pockets, and then a whole page of tabs if you want to cut these out. All right, so we've got plenty there to keep you busy with anything you want to do with those tabs. And that makes up, these 10 pages make up the add-on, the Autumn Whispers add-on kit. Again, this will form part of your printed kit if you want one of those. Then lastly, we have our ephemera pack, and I absolutely love putting this together. I brought in a little robin there. The robin is still visiting me every day, so he's made an appearance. I've got some apples on autumn boughs. We've got mushrooms, we've got all those colours, and I've used my own postcards, which are really old, and I have altered them accordingly. So we've got that there. Then we have another set which I've added more and brought in some autumn elements as well. These are Catherine Klein postcards, my own, so I love using those. And then I have gathered loads of ephemera pages. This is another, also in total 10 pages for the ephemera and the sentiments kit. So you've got little mushrooms, we've got all sorts of little goodies that I've put together here, and some little fussy cuts. Wherever I found a space to put one, I've put them in. So anything like that. All right, and I love making these. So we've got a couple of butterflies, some soft roses, because that color is part of this kit, and I've just added other bits and pieces here as well. So yeah, I absolutely love how this all came together. Beautiful pictures here of autumn scenes as well. So yeah, we're gonna have lots of fun with that. All right, so actually I think I've stuck something else on there. It looks better than just a plain one. I don't know why I didn't put it in. Okay, so there we go. We've got all these lovely visuals. They're going to really look pretty in our journal. And then over here, these are my little sentiments. And this time I've got new sentiments, but I've added the little leaves onto the little sentiments, different autumn leaves and some toadstools here and there. So I'm hoping you're going to like these with the little extras onto them. So I've put it on most of them. All right, so I quite liked that little effect. And then another set again. Now these 2 pages here, I have them reduced because sometimes I want smaller sentiments. I use a combination of both. So I've put them in here, and then you've got a page of the smaller sizes. And there are some absolutely wonderful sentiments and quotes that I've put here from very famous people. Okay, so Oscar Wilde, and all at once summer collapsed into fall. Love that. Yeah, so really, I've even got one here somewhere from Anne of Green Gables. I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers. Anne of Green Gables. I love Anne of Green Gables. Okay, so that is everything as far as the kits are concerned. These 10 make up your Ephemera Pack. And as I say, the Ephemera Pack and the add-on kits are one size. So that will work for an A4 or a US letter. The journal pages are available in the US letter size or the A4. So just please read the description. It is the first few letters in the title. Whether you're buying it from my website or my Etsy shop, you'll have the JPEG and the PDFs for all of these. So just read the description box for what's included. So that's all there. I will have an introductory offer on my website and also an offer on my Etsy store. So have a look there. I will say that the currency converter that I bought is not working, not just for me, but for whoever has it. It's a bit of a problem at the moment. So I would, if you're not happy about that, please just have a look at the current rate. I think it is £1 equals $1.11. So you just need to multiply for pounds to dollars, multiply the total by 1.11 and you will get your price in US dollars. All right. If you're not sure, you can always ask Siri what it is. And I'm busy trying to sort that out. All right, so that's that. Lastly, as I said, I'd get back to the printed kit. If you're wanting a printed kit, I do a printed kit. It contains the journal pages. You will have 12 pages that are double-sided printed with background pages to do with the kit. I will also include extra gingham pages, another set of the 12 journal pages. You'll get a full set of the ephemera pages and the sentiments, as well as the add-on kit as well. So you'll have everything that you need as far as making a journal along with me is concerned. I might use other pages, but those are also, you know, I like the cream lace pages and those sort of things, tea stain pages, and I do offer all the background pages in different kits, whether digital or otherwise. So just let me know if there's anything else. I'll go through the finer details of that along with the fabric when we start with this autumn journal. All right, so, and I know that's the other question, I will have finalized a ribbon pack with Vanessa from Plum Boutique, so it will encompass the colors that we've looked at today. All right, everybody, so that's everything. I'm going to put it all together here. I will say postage has been particularly slow, and we do have a lot of slow days, or because we've got the post office on strike. Not every day, it's like one day a week, so you will have a delay with postage. So if you're wanting a printed kit, get in your order now while there's an offer, and I can get it out to you so that you are ready when we start. All right, everyone, have a fantastic Sunday and a lovely week. I look forward to seeing you on Tuesday. I will have a little project to go into our birds and bees journal, which I'm thoroughly loving putting together, and I look forward to seeing you all very soon. I'm off to make the Sunday dinner, or I think a nice chai latte first and a lovely lemon flavoured mince pies on the cards before the dinner later on. But yeah, I'm hungry because we've had that walk. food is on the brain. It's just the cold, you know, I think it's the cold. Take good care of yourselves, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye-bye.